them, or from
their work site or something.
Come on, baby. Oh, this is the airplane shop. This is one I dreamed about coming to visit. Oh, you're lucky working here, I'm telling you. This is a dream come true for me.
6 death planes.
Are you?
I've seen so long. No,
oh, not me, man.
They're still fun.
Not me, buddy. Not me.
It's like living in Las Vegas. You love to come in, live it.
God, yeah.
Unless you do live in Vegas.
No, I don't.
My brother
California.
does. He wants to get out of it. He works in MGM.
There you go. See?
He's been here like 15 years, and he's got to see where the money's at, but he wants to leave already. But sometimes when the job pays...
No, all these are available, right?
The ones in the case are all the Geminis we've released. The actual physical pieces in the case, I'm afraid, are our archive. So we can't touch the ones in the case.
I see.
But we might have them in regular stock.
Oh, okay.
They're all kind of limited.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look at that U.S. Navy.
They got a Virgin Atlantic. They don't have a Virgin America yet.
I know, we flew that plane. We saw a lot of planes on the way.
You don't have a Virgin America yet, but you got a Virgin Atlantic?
What's that?
You don't have a Virgin America yet?
Yeah, I think we've done. I don't know. Have we not done the Airbus yet? Virgin America, I don't think.
You know, a plane I like is the one that Elvis Presley flown. He called it Lisa Marie, but Mikey told me what plane that was. What plane was that, Mikey?
What?
The Lisa Marie Elvis Presley's plane.
Oh, Convair 990.
You guys have that one here?
Convair 990 we do have in 400 scale and also in the
TWA.
Yeah. TWA, we've got it in 400. Are you a 200 or 400 scale collector?
400. I collect some 400, but not much.
My feet are on fire.
Are you guys sitting down?
Oh, yeah. 880.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is nice. Look at this plane. That looks like the Allegiant almost, but it's not.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. I know you hate me, but this is my dream come true.
No, I don't hate you. I don't hate you.
He does.
The 880 Delta.
Mm-hmm. I'm joking. Yeah, my case is,
I know he's kidding with me.
no, I'm joking.
He's still.
I said I don't hate you. I just want to kill you. I'm just joking with you.
Now here's one I wish I could order, this U.S. Air one, but I found out a bit too late. Or in the Piedmont colors.
What's that one plane that I got from you that you want to put together? I got one from you, Mikey.
F-101. Voodoo.
My brother's got some remote control airplanes. Ooh, internet. Sweet. You want to let me connect?
How much are your ones up here?
Those ones are resin, the fiberglass, it's a resin construction. Those ones can go from about 150 to
on up.
200.
Thank you.
Those. We do have some really. Are you looking at that specific the KC-135?
Mm-hmm.
We do have a really nice die-cast.
Oh, you do? Okay. Yeah, sure. Great.
I'll point you.
Okay. Come on, focus, son of a gun. There you go. God, I would love to work here. How'd you happen to work here?
Oh, long time.
Do you own it? Do you own this
Not
one?
personally.
No.
Well, I lived here. I was looking for work, and
Hit it lucky, huh?
I just fell into it.
What is that?
I wish I was you.
Oh,
Pan Am.
what's that selfie stick? I know, that's only $20. I would mind having it. I ain't got it. Really?
Sorry.
Oh my god. That was right behind him, too.
Excuse me.
Whatever.
Okay, Lucas. Let's make like a bat. Let's fly out of here real fast. While Mikey takes pictures and stuff.
Kind of invited me to the event. Come on in Vegas. I ain't going nowhere. Can't swim.
Excuse me.
Your excuse, I know where the bathroom's at.
Didn't mean to step on your foot. Come on, man. Here's one I got. Oh, there's that. Oh, are these KC-135s you're talking about right here?
Yeah, those
Wow, that's 100. That's 1/400 scale.
200.
Oh, 200. Excuse me. God, that's nice.
What kind is that?
KC-135. They refuel other aircraft in flight. I'm gonna take pictures of the whole thing.
What?
And then we'll leave. Okay. Yeah, you go ahead and go. I got it now. I know where to catch the.
He knows where to catch the bus. Let's get out of here.
Okay.
Because our dogs are hurting and we need to eat. Because he wants to video this whole story.
Oh, I got 2 good shots of it. Okay.
Oh, okay, well, I'm very nice.
You know what this is, Mikey? That I'm sitting on?
Yeah.
An airplane.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like that. We'll see if I got the hotel, Mikey.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
We need to get this one picture of that. I walked the line.
That's the old style.
Look at that, Mikey.
Oh God, yeah.
That's northwest.
Connie. Yeah.
I figured I walked an hour when I get
Okay, guys. Thanks. I'll see you.
Crosswing, maybe. He should have it. So the retailers in that area should have that model already. We haven't yet. Oh, 513, March releases. Okay. Have a look at this. This is March releases. That's the one there. For March. You see, we have not even.